Hey guys, what's up? I've got another video tutorial for you guys today. Today it is the female torso armor. This is now available in my shop, and this is probably one of the easier patterns that I've got, since it is just essentially one piece. But I've got the tutorial for you guys up, and let's check out how to build it. All right, and here we have the pieces already traced out on foam, and start out by heating all the pieces, get them all nice and sealed, and then you go with contact cement. I started down the center just because I thought it would be easier to work with that way. But once that contact cement is dried, you push it together, lining up your seams, and then apply a little more heat to the other seams. Kind of get them to bend into shape so that way it's not pulling against the contact cement, and it'll help hold it better. And you just push those into place, lining up your seams, try to make the surfaces as smooth as possible. And then once that's all done, you apply just a little more heat over the whole thing, and then you can kind of mold and push out the parts that need to go and bend in the places where it just fits better and looks how you want it to look. You don't want to apply too much heat to the seams because your seams will come apart, so you apply a little heat at a time. And then you just kind of push and pull. And then on these pieces, I used 2mm foam to cover up the seams and help prevent them from coming apart. I used 1-inch elastic with adjustable strap around the neck, so you basically wear it like a necklace, and then have adjustable straps with a 1-inch elastic and buckles go around the back, and I just use super glue for that. But that is it. Here is a kind of look at it once it's all put together and all heat formed. And this is how the straps adjust. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on that, you can check out my grifter mask, and I show how to get that sliding adjustment there. Yeah, that's it. Well, alright guys, it does it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And if you guys use my templates for anything, please feel free to tag me on Instagram and Facebook, because I'd love to see what you guys work with and what you guys come up with my templates. And this is just a great base to add or take away whatever you guys want to with it. But you guys have a great one, and like I said, the templates will be linked in the description down below. You guys have a great one.